Hello gurus and welcome.
To another episode.
We're here on our anniversary and Halloween night here at Billionaire, which is a beautiful restaurant in Dubai. The entrance was very spooky, but nothing going on yet. But let's see what they do with the show here. We're gonna jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Wow, I got the beautiful city behind me. Jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash that thumbs up button. Let's jump into the tech. By the way, I'm the guy from Peaky Blinders. I haven't seen the show yet. She picked the outfit. And she is Little Red Riding Hood. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the market quite flat today. Bitcoin having Shiba having a pump, Doge pumping another 7%, BNB up a lot today, which is beautiful. We'll jump into BNB after Bitcoin and then DXY if I have enough time. Bitcoin slightly down 1% today. Still breaking out of that red downtrend. That was the red downtrend line that started on November 2021, where we started the downtrend and we broke out of this bear market trend, which is very good news. Then we had a massive pump, and then it broke to the downside on this triangle. And then it broke back inside and then failed and heading down. But it seems to be holding this support, which is interesting. Let's see what's going to be happening for Bitcoin. We can get rid of that triangle now because it broke that formation. It was a double top, almost a triple top here. Head and shoulders formation actually. Shoulder, head. If it makes another shoulder, that'll be a head and shoulders formation that takes us back down. So short-term pump up to the weekly and then shorting, most likely a head and shoulder formation. So I'd open a short from here, stop loss just above in case it breaks out, and then down at the bottom coming down to that monthly support, and that will give us a nice risk to reward ratio trade, risking 292 to make 1,311. With 10x leverage will be $13,000 of profits, 4.49 risk to reward ratio trade. So opening the trade at 20,700 once it breaks back up. So Bitcoin has to head back up, hit the trade open at 20,700, and then the trade will open to catch that profit down here, 19,400 shorting, assuming Bitcoin is going to fall, and the stop loss here, 20,000, 21,000. So risking 292 to make 1,300 on that trade. On the 4 hourly, heading down. On the hourly, oversold, but looking a little bit weak here. A lot of volume, but weak. 15 minutes, turning to head up. So that's why I say short-term pump, making the shoulder and then dropping. That's what I think is going to happen. If you want to trade Bitcoin, underneath this video, in the description of the video down below, so go down under the video and sign up to Bybit. You get a $4,450 bonus when you sign up to Bybit. You have to use that link down below, everyone. So go down below, sign up using that link, and you get a $4,450 bonus. And now you can also buy MCRT on Bybit. Bybit is the second biggest volume exchange for trading Bitcoin, which is beautiful. So that's what's happening on Bitcoin. Let's jump into BNB. So BNB breaking up to the upside today. 4% pump on BNB, which is awesome. And it's bull flagging as well. So I'd actually go long here on BNB. Taking a long here. Stop loss. Let's see where a resistance is. No major, this is the resistance. It hit it and broke out. Next big resistance on BNB is actually not till 437. So BNB can really go for a run here. I wonder what was the news that set off BNB. So the long that I would take would be, wow, that's a big, look at that volume that came in. Someone bought today around 934,000 BNB. It also broke out of this symmetrical triangle, which is beautiful. Built pressure and broke out. Now we should be moving the base of the triangle, which is this distance here, which would take us to around here. So that's the resistance. So it'll take us to around 398. So I would go long here, targeting 398 if it manages to hold this and break out. So going long, and that's a massive risk to reward ratio trade, 14 risk to reward ratio trade. So risking 1.5% to make 21% without leverage. With 10x leverage, 210% on BNB, which is beautiful. Let's look at also the total market cap of all cryptos to tell us what's happening with crypto. We're trying to take $1 trillion on the crypto market cap right now. It broke out of this broadening rising wedge. You can see here this broadening rising wedge. It broke out here, retested, and most likely going to get a bounce here on the total market cap. So alts could go for a run here. Target of 1 trillion, 1.05 trillion if it breaks out. So that's good news for the altcoin market. Also, happy Halloween for the MCRT Magic Crafters. This is a beautiful design from the team. This is one of the knights from the character, which is beautiful. It keeps me from checking my Brock portfolio every 2 seconds. Thank you, James, for your videos. You're always full of good vibes. Magic Craft has been the biggest blessing in my life financially. Beautiful. Daniel, just got home and already watching your video. Thanks to yesterday's TA, earned some money on my trades. More powerful. Thank you. This is this is some of the designs coming for Magic Craft merchandise, which is awesome. The team has been designing some cool stuff. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's the trades on BNB Bitcoin. Have an amazing Halloween, an amazing day, and I'll see you all again
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.